shadow at my door, trail of shattered dreams and schemes that haunt me to the core. Promises lie broken, vows you took in vain. Ain't been damned, I'll take a stand, outrun the rain. Starting down the highway, doing 80 on 65. Heartbreak in the rear view keeps the tears out of my eyes. Ain't got no destination, like a hobo on a train. Anyway, I don't care, outrun the rain. I won't cry, 'cause you don't love me. That would be crying shame. Moving on now, best I know how, steering clear of memory lane, outrun the rain. Sacred bond of trust, shattered till the end of time, scattered through the dust. Headlights in the twilight, fading out across the plain. I'm moving on into the dawn, outrun the rain. I won't cry, 'cause you don't love me. That would be crying shame. Moving on now, best I know. Steering clear of memory lane, outrun the rain. Moving